Okay, so here's some guidance for how to do this problem number 3 from the course pack, from section 1.9. Now here we had to move things over to get 0 on the one side of the equation. Here we don't. Here we are already good. So we can go ahead and plug this into the y1 on our calculator. And what we're trying to do again is we're trying to find the x-intercepts. So you've got your variable, you've got your squared key, minus 0.75 plus 0.125. Then I'm going to go ahead and graph it. So this is with Zoom 6. The window that we're given just specifies x values here. But I can't see where it dips below. So I know that I'm going to have to go pretty dang small to be able to see a dip of any kind here. So going to the window, I'm going to reset my x to what's given. I have -2, and then I have 2. And like I say, I want to go really small. So -0.25, I think will do it. And 0.25. Now you might start at like 1, narrow it down to half, then go smaller. But I already know I'm gonna have to go really small to see this one, just because it's not visible at all. So there we've just got the tiniest little bit that goes under. So when you're trying to figure out where these intersections happen, hit your second calc button, and we want to look for where the zeros are. That's what we're doing. So go down to option 2 and hit enter. Now you can just give it a left bound and give it a right bound. Here I'm just going to go with 0, but I'm going to have to manually move the cursor because this is between 0 and 1, and I don't know exactly where this dips below. So hit enter for 0. And then for my right bound, I'm going to have to manually move it down, and I just want the cursor to just be underneath, and then hit enter. I don't want to give it a guess. I'm just going to hit enter again. I never give it guesses. And then here we go. We've got 0.25, that's our first one. And then we have to find the second one. So we're going to hit second calc again and go to 0, enter. And so for my left bound, I already see that y is negative, so that's fine. I'm below the x-axis, so I can just hit enter for that. And then I just want to keep moving the cursor to the right until I'm above. So now my y is positive, so now I'm good. Hit enter, don't want to give it a guess. And it's going to give me 0.5, which since we have 2 decimal places, 0.50. So hopefully that helps. Again, you got to go really tiny to see this one. I don't have a good trick for how tiny you have to go, but that's how you solve this problem.